Hello, you're looking at a 13-inch Kerry metal lathe. It's got 9 speeds. Basically, turn it on, slow speed. You the lever. Now you go a little faster. Okay, and the gearbox. That's a geared head lathe. It's so basically we have the lever here, go up there, and it's cutting. Back here, and if you want to face, you would basically go in here and push it up. And now you're facing. All off that one lever. Now if you want to thread, you would use this lever over here. And now your carriage is threaded. As again, the clutch is there, so your motor stays running when you do your clutch. And you turn the clutch on again by moving the lever over, and away you go. You also notice there's a feed rod and a lead screw. The feed rod has a clutch on it, so if you ever jam it, it'll stop and you won't do any damage. And there's also a drive on the lead screw, so you can do inch or metric threads. And this is a 13 by 24. There's an 1.5 inch hole through the spindle. And it's a very good lathe as far as I can see that I've had this for about 15 years. So anyways, have a look, and that should help you out. There's your levers there you change for your different threads. There's your feed for direction. That'll give you away from the chuck or to the chuck. So anyways, geared head lathe. Don't have to change any belts.